Most final year engineering projects quietly end as dusty reports. But a smart few turn them into published papers that actually shape their future. The difference isn't brilliance, it's strategy. It starts earlier than you think. The moment you choose your project topic, think like a researcher, not just a student. Pick a problem that's specific, relevant, and has a clear real-world application. Something that hasn't already been done 100 times. Because journals don't reward effort, they reward novelty. As your project takes shape, don't just build, document everything. Your methodology, design choices, failures, iterations, these are not side notes. They are your future paper. By the time your project is complete, you're already halfway to publication if your data is structured and your results are measurable. And here's the secret most people miss. Your project report and your research paper are not the same thing. A report explains what you did. A paper proves why it matters. Now comes the transformation. Shape your work into the classic structure: introduction, methodology, results, and discussion. Your introduction should clearly define the problem and highlight the research gap. The methodology must be detailed enough that someone else could replicate your work. Results should be clean, visual, and focused, no clutter, just clarity. And in the discussion, don't just describe outcomes, interpret them. Compare with existing studies, explain improvements, and show impact. Choosing the right journal is where many projects fail. Don't randomly submit. Match your topic with the journal's scope, check indexing, and read a few published papers from that journal to understand their expectations. Follow formatting guidelines strictly. This is where even strong papers get rejected. And always run plagiarism checks before submission. Originality is non-negotiable. Before you hit submit, revise like a reviewer. Is your argument clear? Are your visuals effective? Does your paper actually contribute something new? Because publication isn't about luck. It's about clarity, structure, and positioning. And when done right, your final year project stops being just an academic requirement. It becomes your first step into the world of research, innovation, and real credibility.